We're here for you. You found our website because you were looking for a solution for your problem. Correct. You probably did not look for artificial hymen, but like many others. Hymen sewing, virginity restoration surgery, hymen surgery, restoration hymen repair costs, tricks for virginity, bloodstains in wedding night, etc. Right. You do not have to look any further to solve your problem. This belongs to your past. Because you found your problem solution on this page. This is precisely why we have developed our 3 products. The Artificial Hymen or Virgin Restoration Pill for the blood traces and the Revitalize 100 Gel for the vaginal tightening. With these 3 products you solve your problem simply, safely and cheaply. What is an artificial hymen? An artificial hymen is a cellulose compound filled with an artificial blood powder that imitates human blood. It was developed in 2010 in Germany in a laboratory for microbiology. There are now a lot of copies worldwide, which are very cheap or very expensive, in doubtful quality offered. Most websites offer your products without ownership, so in case of doubt, you do not have a contact person if something should be wrong. We stand behind our quality and guarantee the perfect functionality of our products. For whom is the artificial hymen or the virgin blood pills suitable? Are you nervous because you are no longer a virgin? Or you are just afraid that you will not bleed on your wedding night, even though you know that you are still a virgin? Exactly for this moment our artificial virginity products have been developed. The artificial hymen or the virginity pills for the traces of blood that you have to prove, and in combination the Revitalize 100, a vaginal tightening gel, which tightens the vagina entrance within 2 weeks. How do the artificial products work to restore virginity without surgery? We've created videos in multiple languages so that women around the world can understand how to help themselves and inexpensively to confirm their virginity on the wedding night through the blood and vaginal tightening. What is the anatomy of the hymen? The hymen is a membrane that surrounds or partially covers the external vaginal opening. It forms part of the vulva, or external genitalia, and is similar in structure to the vagina. More information of Wikipedia. How to use the virginity products. Here you can watch international videos on how to reconstruct the hymen artificially with our products on the wedding night and confirm the virginity.